Today, we're going to show you how to get started with the Tacx Training app. For this video, we will be using an Apple iPad, but the process is similar for both Apple and Android phones and tablets. First, open the Tacx Training app. Sign in with your Tacx account or create a new account if you don't already have one. The Tacx Training app offers a number of different features and activities you can use and participate in, which includes riding movies, GPS rides, and specific workouts. Accessing movie workouts require a paid subscription. For more information, visit the Tacx Cloud website. The movies are located at the top of the home screen, titled New Movies. The app gives you the newest options first, but if you would like to select an older film, select Show All. Tap the movie you wish to ride. Tap the Start button to begin. Then select your trainer. Once the trainer is connected, use the arrow in the upper left corner to dismiss the menu. You will then be brought to a warm-up screen. When ready to ride, tap Start Now. Here is what the movie will look like when riding the Neo bike. When you have finished the movie, hit the arrow at the bottom of the screen and then the Stop button. Then select Yes, Stop. This will then give you the option to save or discard your ride. The Tacx Training app also features a number of GPS rides that will provide a bird's eye view of where you are riding. You will be given the option of choosing from one of the provided GPS rides, your favorite GPS rides by followed users, or My GPS Rides. Now, tap the GPS ride that you want to participate in. Select Start and then Start Ride. This is what your Tacx Training app will look like when you're doing a GPS ride. Once you are done with your GPS ride, select Stop. Then, Yes, Stop. Now, you can save or discard your ride. The Tacx Training app also offers a number of different workouts to help you with your indoor training. You can select from power or slope workouts, My Workouts, which are your custom workouts, favorite workouts, workouts by fellow users, and FTP workouts. Next, select your preferred workout. Select Start and then Start Now. This is what your Tacx Training app will look like when you're doing a workout. Once you are finished with your workout, select Stop, Yes, Stop, and then decide if you would like to save or discard your workout. The Training Room feature in the Tacx Training app gives you the option to participate in challenges and specific training plans to help build your fitness. Challenges are different activities that you can participate in that will give you opportunities to accomplish your goals, as well as receive new badges and Tacx water bottles. The training plan option gives you the chance to utilize a plan that is specific to your goals. The training plan will provide different intensities and schedules to help you succeed. And that's it. For more help with the Tacx Training app or other Tacx products, please visit support.garmin.com.